it off.
And let the world see my thighs? I don't think so.
Your thighs?
Don't start.
If Greenpeace were here, I'd be on the news tonight. Twin orcas beached on Long Island. Oh, man.
You're fine. You're fine.
No, I mean, oh.
Where?
3 o'clock?
Wait, now where's Midnight?
I'm not pointing.
Wait,
Forget
where?
it. You're going to miss him.
Blue spear.
Gray.
Well, if you're quibbling about the color, how quick can this guy be?
Oh, you missed him.
Whoa, doggies.
What is this? Jed Clampett Cruises Jones
Oh,
Beach? Oh my God. Oh, a basket worthy of Carmen Miranda's head.
she'll have to fight me for him. Buns.
Yay.
Straight. Straight.
Gay.
Acid test, let's invite him over.
If I fall in love with him, he's gay.
And if I fall in love with him, he's straight. Sir, could you kindly come over here and just ruin our lives?
Please. Only 2 weeks.
Madeline, he's looking at us.
Oh,
He's looking at us. I'm gonna take off my towel.
That'll do it.
What is that supposed to be?
Peter, take off the towel. Those are fetching.
He's looking at me. He's looking at me, Madeline. He's coming this way. Oh, fuck! He's looking at me.
Oh, I knew he was gay. He's motioning.
Oh, I've attracted a deaf mute. Oh, it'll be like Children of a Lesser God. Oh my God, I'm Bill Hurt. Oh, what was that? Oh, no, I don't. Sorry, I don't have it yet. I quit 6 months ago. But I'd be happy to make you one if you bring me the tobacco. Or you could just bring me your seeds and we could grow it together. Or if you had a gun, I'd be happy to shoot myself in the other foot. I'm sure he appreciated the lecture on quitting smoking.
It wasn't a lecture, it was a comment.
He was gay, Madeline, and he almost talked to me until I turned into Bobby Bizarro.
He was straight.
How do you know?
If he were gay, he would have talked to me, too.
You're right. I wasn't just rejected.
You were just rejected.
I was asked for a cigarette and I didn't have any.
Not simple. I was just rejected. He didn't even talk to me. I don't know. Maybe the towel makes me look fatter.
Take it off.
When pigs fly. When pigs fly, maybe I'll join the Air Force. At last, a suit that fits.
Oh, stop it. I like that black thing that you bought.
Which black thing? All of my clothes are black.
The dressy suit thing.
Oh. My memorial outfit?
I guess so.
It's 10 years old. What for Barry?
Barry's memorial. Ugh. It's an old suit.
Too old. Burn it. Just take it out and burn it. I need a new suit, Peter.
Hey, what are we doing?
We are cruising. We are strategically placed just to the left of Field 6 at Jones Beach, so the pickings are great.
And the living is here.
Straight men to the left of me.
Gay men to the right of me.
Into the valley of life rode the 600.
That's why there are no cute guys left. 600 hunky light brigade officers rode up.
And took the cute. 9 o'clock. Approaching.
Wait, now where is 9 supposed to be?
Oh my God! Noon, 3, 6, 9.
The very attractive black man in the red speedo. Remind me to make an offering to the god of nylon.
Oh, synthetic fabric.
Oh, that made my afternoon.
There you go.
Gay, straight.
Oh, beautiful.
Scene.